What if I told you that people with no office job and no experience are quietly making money every single day just from their phone or laptop? And no, I'm not talking about scams or get-rich-quick schemes. I'm talking about a real platform called Upwork, where businesses from the US, UK, Canada, and all over the world are paying freelancers to work from home. Hey, work from home family, welcome back to the channel, where we share videos on remote job opportunities and how to earn online from anywhere in the world. Please subscribe to the new channel, like, comment, and share, and drop your location in the comments. Let's get started. Now, here's the part most people don't understand. Upwork is not just for experts. It is actually one of the easiest places to start your remote career from zero if you know how to position yourself correctly. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Upwork works, what jobs you can do as a beginner, how to create a profile that gets approved, and how to get your first paying client, even if nobody knows you yet. And stay with me till the end, because I'll also show you the mistakes that stop 90% of beginners from getting jobs on Upwork. Upwork is a global freelance marketplace. Think of it like this. Businesses have jobs they need done fast. But instead of hiring full-time employees, they come to Upwork and hire freelancers. So on Upwork, you'll find jobs like data entry, virtual assistant work, typing and transcription, customer support chat jobs, social media management, and simple research tasks. The reason I'm making this video is because a lot of you said you have applied to several jobs with different companies, yet no response. And Upwork is for you. Upwork has different roles that you can actually work on, from admin and support jobs, chat support jobs, cold calling jobs, content moderation jobs, lead generation jobs, virtual assistant jobs, design and creative jobs, Canva jobs, graphic design jobs, illustration jobs, logo design jobs, web design jobs, marketing jobs, digital marketing jobs, email marketing jobs, Google Ads, SEO, social media management jobs, writing and content, bookkeeping, book editing jobs, content writing jobs, copywriting jobs, open AI jobs, machine learning jobs, etc. And the best part is, you don't need to know someone inside the company. You just need a good profile, a basic skill, and the ability to apply correctly. That's it. Now let's be honest, Upwork is not magic, but it is beginner friendly. You can start if you have a smartphone or laptop, internet connection, basic English skills, and willingness to learn. That's enough. You do not need a university degree. For those of you asking if that you don't have experience, you don't have a university degree, you can actually find a job on Upwork without years of experience. Guys, you don't even need a professional CV to get started with Upwork. The difference between people who succeed and those who fail is simple. One group takes action and other group overthinks. If you take action after watching this video, then something good is going to come out of it. Now let's go step by step. First, you're going to go to Upwork and create an account as a freelancer. You need to open account as a freelancer. If not, you will not be able to find any job here. You go to upwork.com as a freelancer. Like I said, use your real name. You click on sign up. I already have an account here, so I'll just do a little demo for you guys. Use your real name. Use a real email, not sweetheart@gmail.com. Use your real name and a professional photo if you want to actually find a job on this platform. Do not use logos or fake identities. So when you come here, it's going to ask you, are you a client hiring for a project, or are you a freelancer looking for work? So you need to click on freelancer looking for work, then click on apply as a freelancer. So it comes up like this. Second, you build your profile. This is your online CV. Even without experience, you can position yourself as a beginner virtual assistant, beginner data entry freelancer, or online research assistant. So make sure to list simple skills like typing, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, email handling, and basic research. Keep it simple and honest. So let's finish setting up your account. What you do is either sign up using your Apple account or your Google account. So you use your real name, first and last name, your real email, then your password, your country. One thing I like about Upwork is that it is open to all countries. Like all countries can apply, can sign up here, get a client work and earn. Alright, there's no barrier to location, there's no limitation for you. Nigeria is here, as you can see. My interest for this video is not Nigeria, but if Nigeria is here, which means any other country can be found here. Kenya as well, because I have amazing people from Nigeria and Kenya. Let me know your country in the comments so that next time I'll find something that works for you. So Kenya is here as well. Then you click yes that you understand and agree to the Upwork terms of service. Then you create your account. Once you create your account and you're inside Upwork, the third thing to do will be to write your bio. This is where most people fail. You do not write I am hardworking and I'm looking for a job. That's too weak. Instead, you're going to write something like I am a detailed oriented freelancer offering data entry virtual assistant services. I help clients save time by handling administrative and online tasks accurately and efficiently. Simple, clear, professional. Now, step 4 is to start applying for jobs. So this is my account. I created this account years ago. As you can see, it says that my profile is 70% complete. You're almost done. I haven't actually been active in looking for jobs anyway, but this is it. I haven't completed working style because it's optional. I've completed employment history, portfolio, education, video introduction. So you need to do these steps. Okay, let me list them again. Working style, employment history, portfolio, education, video introduction of yourself, certification if you have, linked accounts, other experience, show completed work, profile photo, overview, skills, and then close. So if you want to enhance your skills, guys, although you do not need high skill to get a job on Upwork, you can get a job here based on how you present yourself. But again, if you upskill, it will also give you more advantage. Therefore, I'll leave a link for you in the description, a link to IDF platform where you can learn different skills to help you land high paying remote jobs. You can get a job without high skills, or you can even get higher paying jobs when you upskill. So check out the link in the description and make use of it. Now that I've been able to log in back into my account, you can see the jobs here posted 3 hours ago. YouTube channel setup. Only freelancers located in United Kingdom may apply. It says I have a subscription site for streaming fitness videos. I want somebody to set up a YouTube channel for the business that will drive users to the main channel. So I want somebody who can advise on the best way to use YouTube to do this and then set it up. And the person is paying between $30 to $60 hourly, intermediate. So now that everything is here, you can see my account and the jobs that are up here that I can apply to if I want to. So you're going to begin to start applying for jobs. That is the step 4, to start applying for jobs. You're going to search for beginner friendly jobs like data entry, virtual assistant, typing work, and simple research. But don't just click apply randomly. You must write a short proposal. Can you see? Virtual assistant for data entry. Payment is verified. The person is in Canada. They are seeking a reliable virtual assistant to assist with data entry tasks. Okay, so these are entry-level jobs, intermediate, experts, hourly rates, you see, and all of them. So if you're looking for entry level, you can click on it. Due to my location, your own might be different. If you're looking for UK only job, US only job, you can do that as well. And once you find any job you're interested in, this one is Excel data specialist needed. This one is virtual assistant and data entry specialist. I think you should go for this if you're a beginner. Virtual assistant for data entry. So open this. This is how it looks like. Do not apply randomly. Do not click on apply randomly. You must write a short proposal. And this is where most beginners fail. When you apply, don't sound desperate. I know you're looking for money. I know you're looking for a job urgently, but don't sound desperate. Don't say, I need this job. Please, I have no experience. Instead, you can say something like, hi, I'm a beginner freelancer, but I have strong attention to detail and I'm ready to complete your task accurately and on time. I would love to help you with this project. So this job is available worldwide, as you can see. They're looking for a reliable virtual assistant to assist with their data entry tasks. It is available worldwide and it was posted yesterday. So if you click on apply now, it brings you here. It brings you to this page, and this proposal requires 14 connects to be deducted from my balance when I submit proposal. You need connect. I'll talk about that in another video. So this is the job posted yesterday, 28th of April. It is paying $100. It's a fixed price, 1 to 3 months project length. So you can view job posting here. The skills and expertise they need is email communication, Microsoft Word, and data entry. How do you want to be paid? By milestone or by project you choose. How many milestones do you want to include? You choose how many milestones you want to include. Description, due date, and all of that information. You put them there. So how long will this project take? This is where you're going to write a cover letter, which is like your proposal. Okay, you add work samples to strengthen your proposal, and make sure to remove any contact details, as sharing this before a contract is against their policy. You attach any job you have completed before here. So your short proposal can be something like this. This is just an example, right? Hi, I'm a beginner freelancer, but I have strong attention to detail and I'm ready to complete your task accurately and on time. I'd love to help you with this project. Do not tell them to help you because you're desperately looking for money. Tell them that you'd love to help them with this project, which means you have the right skills for the project. Make it short, confident, and professional. So guys, here's the real secret. Apply to small jobs. Don't chase high-paying projects immediately. Start with $5 jobs, $10 jobs, quick tasks, okay? So this one is quite big for you, this $100 one, if you haven't done any job on Upwork. So you need to scroll down. This is $50. This is 15 to 25. This is 11 to 13. This is 11 to 13. This is $5. Okay, we are seeking a detailed oriented data specialist, data entry specialist to assist with an urgent project. You should be capable of quickly and accurately inputting data into their systems. So you can go for this one. Don't come and go for this one that is 1,800. You can go for this one that is $5. Start from there, okay, as you go up. You know why? Because your first goal is not money. Your first goal is your first review. Very important. Once you get 1 to 3 reviews on Upwork, everything changes for you. Clients start trusting you and opportunities start opening up for you. Now let me save you months of frustration. Biggest mistakes people make on Upwork. 1. Not applying enough. You just apply for this one that I've shown you and you're off until next month. No, don't apply for just 1 or 2 and quit. 2. Weak profile. You saw what was written on my profile when I first signed in, right? My profile is on 70%. That's because I abandoned it for years now. Don't do that. If your profile looks empty, clients will ignore you. They will know that you're a newbie. You haven't even started. 3. Copy paste proposals. Clients can tell when you don't care. Don't be copying proposals, using one proposal for all the jobs you're applying. Be creative with it, okay? 4. No niche. Don't say I can do everything. You can't do everything. If you're focusing on virtual assistants for data entry, take it. If you're focusing on video editing, take it. If you're focusing on data QA, proofreading, and data entry, take one. Bookkeeper and data entry, take one, okay? Niche down. Don't say I can do everything. Focus on one direction like typing, virtual assistant, data entry, or transcription. Number 5, giving up too early. Most people quit before their first job. You're already tired. You're like, I've been applying for years, I'm done. No. Maybe when you're getting tired will be when your luck will start shining. Remember, Upwork rewards consistency, not luck. Now let's talk about earnings. Beginners usually make around $3 to $10 per hour equivalent. Intermediate freelancers can make $10 to $25 per hour. Experienced freelancers can make $25 or more per hour. But again, your first goal is not money. Your first goal is trust and experience. And here's the truth. The people making money on Upwork are not smarter than you. They just started earlier. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time, this is it. Start today. And if you want, I can help you next with a perfect Upwork profile template, a copy and paste proposal that get replies, or high-paying beginner jobs you can apply for right now. Just let me know in the comments. And if this video helped open your eyes, make sure you like. Please subscribe to the new channel and turn on notifications because I'll be showing you more real ways to make money online from home without scams. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.